At Bona, we understand that maintaining hospital floors come with an array of challenges. From minimizing downtime due to installation and repairs, to ensuring that hygiene and cleanliness is constantly maintained. Introducing the Bona Commercial System Resilient Floor Solution, an innovative, highly effective process for the transformation of old, worn, resilient floors.
My name is Robin Munson, and I'm the Director of Surgical Services. Have been very interested in what we could do to make improvements in our operating room, and one of the biggest areas that we needed to work on was our flooring.
Rather than tearing out existing floors, which can be incredibly expensive and environmentally harsh process, the Bona Commercial System allows users to realize up to 75% cost savings compared to replacing the floor.
Some of the biggest challenges that we are facing with our floors in the hospital just are the age and the fact that it's degraded over time. They're very expensive to replace, to repair, and we get to a point where we either have to replace the whole floor at a huge cost and shutting down our ORs for an extended period of time.
I believe we were going to spend several $100,000 in the ORs alone, so the cost savings are, right off the bat.
The Bona Commercial System Resilient Floor Solution gives damaged and heavily worn floors a new lease on life through a safe and effective 4-step process that is easy to follow. First, begin by applying the Bona Commercial System Resilient Floor Stripper with a mop to begin dissolving old polish. Next, abrade the floor with the Bona Flexi Sand Buffer, Bona Multi-Disc with Bona Diamond Abrasives. After the floor has been stripped and old polish removed, the floor is ready for the new color and chip design. Once the color transformation is complete, the floor is ready for 2 quick applications of high durability clear coat. The 2-component waterborne polyurethane coating helps protect and extend the life of the renewed floor for years to come.
Because this is the first room that we have done, I think that in our next rooms that we do, we'll know a little bit better about the length of time it takes, and we see that there is opportunity for us then to keep our ORs moving, and we can go ahead and schedule and do what we need to do and have very short downtime. Even though we were told that it was a short process, we as healthcare didn't believe it, and so now we are believers.
The Bona Commercial System fully revitalizes the surfaces in less time, and the floor never needs to be stripped, burnished, or polished again. And with a variety of base colors and premium pre-mixed color chip options, the possibilities for your facility are endless. Bona's Clear Coat option provides hospitals a safe, beautiful, and durable solution to keep patient rooms looking great and easy to maintain without the time-consuming polish and burnishing schedule most facilities are accustomed to. Once applied, the Clear Coat system provides a monolithic floor that helps maintain the beauty and reduce the bioload that is typically found in the seams and cracks of old resilient floors.
I think this product is going to revolutionize the way hospitals do their floors and how they maintain them. Looking at the hospital here, I think that we could use this on every floor surface that we have. I
do believe that this product is going to prove to be a game changer for us.
I would 100% recommend the Bona product to anybody working in hospitals.
The Bona Commercial System Resilient Floor Solution. Your floor revitalization awaits. For more information, visit Bona.com.